So this is our inaugural Raising Money Masterclass. We're going to be doing this with about 6 or 7 speakers every couple of months. And we have a big conference coming up here in January. And plus we're partnering, for our mentorship, and we'll talk a little bit about that later, with Richard Wilson and the Family Office Club. So anybody that partners with us and wants to get mentored, they're also going to get the Family Office Club included, which is an incredible value. We'll chat about that. But I'd like to introduce Richard Wilson, my partner on the Capital Raiser show, my partner in a lot of things. We're writing a book together. Very excited. I'm very blessed to have Richard as my partner. We're going to turn it over to you, my brother. Please tell us a little bit about yourself. And, I'll let you kind of take it away, because I know that you speak on a lot of topics that can be included right here in this book that a lot of syndicators do not speak about. Not only do you help family offices, but you help other syndicators scale, and you love talking about capital raising. In fact, you have a podcast yourself about the topic. So welcome.
Awesome. Yeah, appreciate you having me here, Ruben. How's my